Well, good day, gentlemen, and welcome back. Today, we're going to tell a tale of two shoes, or in this case, boots. You can see here, I have two different boots. One is a lace-up style, and one is more of a traditional Chelsea style. So this boot here, and this is what I really want to caution you on, this is one that I purchased 2 weeks ago from the shoe warehouse. And I mean, you'll have to forgive it. It's a little dirty. It's been worn. I mean, it's a farm. It's been worn. But what I happened to notice was this shoe was advertised as being leather. It fit kind of, pretty good. So I thought, well, it'd be a good option, and the price was fairly reasonable. But what you can see is very quickly, like I said, this is only 2 weeks old. Very quickly, the material here has started to lose its finish. And so a quick look, and you peel up the tab, you see the information there, and it says PU upper. So although it's advertised as being leather, when you dig into it, PU, of course, is polyurethane, vegan leather. So not a very good product. So what I did today is I hung these ones up. The other thing I noticed actually is right around the heel here, of course, where my heel makes contact while I'm walking, in a matter of 2 weeks has already significantly degraded. So I'm gonna wear these ones out, but much quicker than my $70 that I purchased them for is gonna carry them, right? So what I did today is I purchased these ones. These are a Denver Hayes Chelsea boot. You can see they've got a decent sole. And of course they are genuine leather. None of this recycled straws nonsense. So something to be careful when you're purchasing a good pair of shoes. Yeah, if you're going to spend, even if it's a relatively low price pair of shoes, if you're going to spend any kind of money and then in 2 weeks have no shoes, well, you might as well have just actually spent the proper amount of money and purchase something that's hardy, durable, and is going to actually last you, and you can actually treat it and condition it so that it lasts you even longer. So hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.